This is Dez, and I am back. Big shout out and thanks to Mark the Mirror Cat Suffering for standing in for me and filling in to do the daily videos. Thank you so much for that, Mark. And wow, I've come back from the beautiful Caribbean islands to find a big choppy mess out there. I actually stepped away from all trading, hedged myself, had my longs going, had a hedge going, so I was all protected when I left, and I came back to this nastiness. Big chops in the market. Here we are in markets. We're up again on a Tuesday. We got our typical Tuesday bounce here. The S&P up 0.4%, the Dow up a mere fraction. Nasdaq up 0.8%. Russell's up about the same. Russell's and small caps leading the charge to the upside. And we have the banks up just not too much. VIX down more than 4%. Gold up almost 1%. Silver up 0.5%. Crude oil up 1.7%. The US dollar down 0.65%, really helping out today's bullish move out there in the markets. Utility sector up huge, up 1.65%. It's a defensive sector. A lot of people moving money into that because of the uncertainties that we're seeing in the markets. Let's take a look at the technicals to see what's going on here. You'll see that I've changed some lines here due to the new price action patterns that we're receiving here on the S&P 500. We were in this uptrend, higher swing highs, higher swing lows. That was broken yesterday. Monday starting off the week. Last two trading days, Friday and Monday, just brutal on big volume. Tuesday we get this bounce. Question is, can we get past this resistance? Can we stay above the 50-day moving average on the S&P 500? Can we get above the 20-day moving average? And that's huge because of this trend line coming across. This 1856 area, about the high on Tuesday, is going to be a big area of resistance. We need to power through it. I think we have a good chance of this happening. Let me show you on the weekly video or the weekly chart what's going on the S&P 500. We had this big trend line coming up. Yesterday, starting off the day, we were actually below it. We needed a rally back. So we're at a support level here. Problem with the weekly though is we're rolling over. If I take a look here at the MACD, we have a nasty bearish divergence. So even though this was like a high base, almost a bullish pennant type formation, that we could explode northbound. If you look at this big upper shadow on the weekly, people were selling into that strength. So it doesn't give me a lot of hope for any new rallies that would be of significance. Just like this down here, big lower shadow, nice upside move. Big lower shadow, nice upside move. Big lower shadow, nice upside move. You'll see big upper shadow, downside move. I'm seeing upside shadows for a downside move. So it's something that we're watching. If we take a look at the NASDAQ daily chart, just a huge sell-off. After 4 days of bearish move. On Tuesday we did get a bounce here, but man, this is a dead cat bounce at best. So maybe a few days. They end out this week bullish, but I'll bank my bottom dollar on the fact that people are selling into strength. Every time we rally, they sell that strength. It rallies, they sell that strength. Bad sign for the markets. I'm looking for the next rally so I can sell that strength. And you guys like it when I do the tech stuff. Here's the apple. Redraw your trend lines. Big triangle. Break down. We have a hammer. Upside potential, but it'd be a dead cat bounce and a rally. Kiss of death and a drop again is what it looks like to me. Amazon, down. A little falling wedge here. Could have a breakout. We'll see if that happens. Facebook was up 2%. Amazon was actually up 3%. 2% run here last couple of days. We'll see if it has any juice in it. But man, techs have just been beat up. Google, where's the rest of my data on Google? That's weird. So anyway, Google up more than 3%, but LinkedIn was up almost 6% today. Big pop. A lot of buyers coming in with volume at this low. Makes me want to take a look at the weekly chart. Yeah, we're staying above the 100-day moving average, so people are buying off of that. Interesting to see. Microsoft Hammers out on the rising 20-day moving average. Look for buying opportunities on Microsoft, Netflix, up 3%. Big moves in NASDAQ today, gang. Big moves. Twitter, on the other hand, not so good. Continued just to drop. So all you executives and insiders at Twitter, sorry about your accounts because they are bleeding out. Be watching us and we'll help you know if it's a buy opportunity. And actually, I'm going to draw a trend line here. You could be in a falling wedge. Boom. Yeah, this thing could be trying to find a bottom here soon, so be looking for a buying opportunity. So that's it for the time being. Listen, we have website issues. Joomla came out with this big update while I was gone on vacation, and it reset a lot of passwords, and we're still trying to get our heads wrapped around on why this happened. So listen, the quick fix is this. When you come to the website, just say you forgot your password, get it reset, and you'll have access. So sorry, just a huge apology for this. Not everybody was affected, but many were. I got a ton of emails, so we're trying to get to them all. Thanks so much for that. We're also going to be doing a class at the end of this week, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I'll try to get an email out to everybody tomorrow on that. So be watching for the email. Take care. Share us with a friend. We'll see you guys tomorrow.